Hey girl, hey, so today's wig install is definitely a game changer. So this wig comes with edges, baby, and these edges look like my hair. And I can go ahead and tell y'all right now, this wig and this style is probably going to be my most favorite wig to wear simply because it gives a natural wig install with leave out, and also I'm not going to have to worry about doing any type of swoops with the baby hairs. Just a supernatural vibe. So let's get into it. Okay, girls, so what I decided to do for this particular install is start off with straightening the hairline first. So as you can see, I pretty much already pulled out the edges on this wig because I don't want to add any type of heat to the edges. Now, you definitely can add heat if you're going for a more relaxed, super straight look, but I like this whole kinky look because it definitely blends with my natural hair, which I'm going to show you guys more of later in the video. So this texture is on the kinky side, and because I don't want the hair super big, I am going in with the blow dryer to get the hair to be a little bit more straightened. And as you can see, my left side has gotten a lot flatter compared to the right side where you can see a lot more texture. So yeah, girl, I'm going to blow dry my hair and then I'll be back to install this wig. Okay, girl, so now I got this wig on and I'm going to show y'all what this wig is giving. So I did blow dry the hair, but the texture and the density is still here, which is okay because in my opinion it gives like a blowout look without flat ironing the hair, which I'll do later in the video. So now what I'm about to do is just pull out my edges. Like, look at how good this wig looks, y'all. Like, before I do anything, just look at the hairline. Okay, and by the way, this wig is on a HD lace, and y'all look at these edges. You cannot tell me this does not mimic like natural kinky edges. I promise y'all, the edges on this wig is so bomb. It is definitely giving sew in vibes with leave out for show because look at this, y'all. This is going to be like my favorite wig to wear for a long time, simply because I don't even have to worry about doing my baby hairs or worrying about the lace looking crazy or lifting. Like, these edges on this wig takes care of that. This can literally be one of those wigs that you throw on and don't even worry about your lace at all. Okay, girl, so now that I pretty much got this wig as flat as it is going to be, I am going to secure this wig down with some holding spray. Make sure you check out that description bar because I honestly forgot the name of this spray, but y'all, it is so bomb. It can be found at your local beauty supply store. I love this spray. It's so much better than the Got To Be glue spray. And also, like, as you see, once I'm applying the spray, I'm applying it behind the hairlines because I don't want anything on my edges. So now I'm going to go in and of course just cut the lace and get to it. so this is what the wig and the texture is looking like with just only applying a blow dryer and a hot comb on the roots of the wig. So it's still very full, but honestly I want to go in with some more heat, just adding a flat iron only to the hair and not really my edges just yet. So yeah, girl. I promise y'all, the edges on this wig is so bomb. It is definitely giving so in vibes with leave out for sure, because look at this, y'all. This is going to be like my favorite wig to wear for a long time, simply because I don't even have to worry about doing my baby hairs or worrying about the lace looking crazy or lifting. Like, these edges on this wig takes care of that. This can literally be one of those wigs that you throw on and don't even worry about your lace at all. So just in case you don't like the whole kinky look, I did apply a wax stick to my edges and just use a edge brush just to smooth out the hairline a little bit. And look at that. Girl, looks good. But I am going to go in with some face powder just to blend in this lace a little bit, because it is a little too light for my skin tone. But girl, let me just pause it for a second. Hold on, take a look. Sideburns and the edges on this wig, it matches perfectly, y'all. Look at that. This is fucking crazy. This is crazy. So this is what the wig looks like after I have applied heat using a flat iron, and it is so giving, so in vibes with leave out. Like, hands down, this is a wig that you absolutely need in your collection, because it's giving, baby. So make sure you check out that description bar, baby, because this is a wig that you probably will throw on every single day when you just want that wig that looks like your hair. Yes. So, yeah, make sure you check that description bar, girl, because I'm really feeling it. Bye.